Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Louis. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a braided updo, and I'll be leaving you guys with easy technique on how to do this. If you're interested in knowing how to do it, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, watch them, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So let's dive into why we're here. So I already took out some hairs that I'll be using to create tendrils. And I have the weave-on all secured onto my model's hair, the mannequin of course. And I'm going to use my control pins to hold it. Then I'm going to get the hair paddings. I did a video sometimes where I showed how to do paddings. I'm going to leave it up there. So I'm just going to secure the paddings to the hair and then start braiding. So now I'll be taking out a chunk and then comb it. So I'll be doing French braids, like I'll be braiding it inwardly. So after that, I'm going to like pull out some parts from the braids till I get to the tip, just to create the French braids. So now guys, there we have it. I'm going to turn it over as seen in the video and then use my bobby pins to hold it down. So now I'm going to get another chunk from this other side and then repeat the same step and pull, then use my bobby pins to secure it down. So guys, I have my curler in 32. I don't know if you can see the number, but the size is 32. So I'm going to use it to create curls in front, like the tendrils. You can go for a smaller curler depending on what your client wants or the type of look you want to create. So I'm going to use my hold spray and spray on the hair. Mind you, this is a synthetic hair, so I'm not going to leave it to like stay for a long time. So I'm going to spray and then use my comb and then go over with the curler and curl it.